Hi, Julianne with Sterling Credentials. Today, I implore you to stop calling it lecture. What we do in the classroom is the didactic portion of the overall educational process for our EMTs and paramedics. Calling it lecture is going to continue to make it be lecture. It's going to be harder to get other instructors to buy into this new format. It's not lecture. Lecture, what are the statistics? Students retain approximately 3% of what you say. What a great use of your air. No. When you're deciding what to do in your face-to-face time with your students, you should have 3 objectives. 1, to introduce and familiarize the students with concepts, particularly challenging concepts. 2, practice critical thinking. And 3, do all of these things in a way which enhances your students' retention, because our students have lives outside of our classrooms. And so their time that they have to devote to study is not as extensive as would be optimal. Therefore, whatever we do in our face-to-face time must have impact, particularly emotional, in order to increase retention and decrease the amount of time required for study. Oh, sure, there's some things that are rote memorization that they're just going to have to memorize, but we try to keep that to a minimum. Examples, case studies. Heck, even in EMT, when you're talking about a concept and you use an anatomy or physiology word, even if it's been introduced before, you stop and you ask the students, okay, what does that mean? Because it causes them to continue to be engaged. The more engaged the brain, the higher the retention. If you want to know more about this framework, these techniques, schedule a visit with me and I'd be happy to brief you, or you can just wait until my formal materials come out. I haven't decided what form those are actually going to take, but I think it's of critical importance that people start to get their minds around the fact that one of your objectives, if you can make it more engaging, meaning the student has to actively participate, then you do cut down on their study time. So yeah, schedule an appointment with me and we can discuss it further. In the meantime, have a fantastic day, and I hope to see you next time.